Hi, I'm Steve. I wanted to show you the performance difference of having a modular character versus a combined mesh. I have a scene running here, which has a couple hundred of Synty Studios modular characters, and they are not combined. Each body part gets rendered separately. And when I switch over to the combined part, where I have a single mesh, this is no longer modular. As you can see, it renders way, way faster. Add a couple more, those are 1000 now. I get 40 frames without recording, I get 60. And if I switch over to the individual modular versions, you can see the difference, I guess. So I am on 10 frames per second. For baking meshes, of course, I use Mesh Baker. Keep in mind, if you want many characters, you have to bake them into a single mesh. But if you want to keep them modular, you cannot bake into a single mesh. You have to keep your number of characters low. I think that should be 100 modular versions. With 200, I'm already below 60 frames per second. Of course, every system is different. GPU-wise, I have a 1070. Hope you like this. If you do, yeah, you know, the usual. Click the like button and subscribe. And see you next time.